the lappers were brutal today. I think there was like nearly 600. So yeah, we started passing lappers at the end of the first lap, and then it was all on. And that 5-mile tight section, there was nowhere to go, and yeah, it was tough. But got to the front and pulled a gap, so I'm stoked. Take another win.
Yeah, like I was just telling Allie, I've never led a lap except for the one time I won a race. So I was like, oh hey, this is different, but I like it. This is normally not a place I like. It's sandy. I want to go back home where there's mud and rocks and sticks, but like to be on the podium and even better get second here, I'm super stoked with that performance.
It started off really good. It was really hard breaking away from the pack with all the lappers in the single track. So that was a big bummer. I had like a steady 10 seconds for, I think it was 2 or 3 laps, and then went down with the lapper, went down to third, and then I had another pretty big get off on lap 4, and I just brought it to the finish line. I know I have the speed, and we'll be back at the next one.
Yeah, look forward to today. It's going to be a brutal day. This venue is always pretty difficult. So, yeah, just try to get a good start, get up front with the guys, and, yeah, tag along.
All right, brother, go get it. Lane Michael right there. All right, Craig DeLong, man, you're one of those winners here this season, buddy. How you feeling about coming into today? I got to think you're hungry.
Yeah, for sure. You always want more, so that's a positive thing. So, not sure what Ricky's doing over there, but
We got it. We're doing good. Don't worry about it. Nitrous.
did what I needed to do today, that's for sure. Man, I'm really bummed it took me this long to do it. I put in more work than this in off season to ride around in 6th, 8th place like I have been doing. So it's awesome to get out here and do what I know I can do. Hopefully I can keep that momentum rolling and keep moving forward. Made a good push there to catch Craig and then kind of just chilled out, tried to ride behind him and catch my breath. Started to cramp a little bit there mid-race, but worked my way through it. And then the last lap I felt great. I felt really good the last lap. I was able to put in a good charge and bring it home.
This place is brutal, man. Not very fun. It looks fun when they doze it, but by the time we get to it, it ain't very fun.
Good start today.
Yeah. We worked on starts the last 2 weeks at Caleb's, and man, it paid off. And got a good start and tried to run it high, but GB, man, he's had something else to say about that. And once he gets rolling, it's hard to hang on to. And I did the best I could. I'm tired, man. I'm smoked. It was a tough ride. Thank you.
Florida's relentless. You know, there's no break out there. This place, it's got enough fields where you can take a break, but if you do it, you're gonna be losing time. So you have the possibility to do it, but you can't if you're not out front with a good gap. You got to be charging those fields to make up time. Oh yeah, it was. I mean, compared to the first 4, I guess, like, I felt like we were a gear or 2 higher. It had a really good flow, but because of it, you could go so fast, and, you know, it's got those soft spots and then hard packing routes, so it just catches you off guard. You know, you could almost get going too fast, but no, it's awesome. I think they did a good job with the track. I mean, conditions were pretty solid, and yeah, 3rd place. Can't be too bummed. I mean, I felt like I rode solid compared to the last 2.
Look at that, your top 3, ladies and gentlemen. They went to battle out here in the South Carolina sand, and they are the ones up here on the box. You gotta be loud if you wanna get sprayed.